Are you tired of trying endless diets with little to no results? What if I told you the secret to shedding pounds isn't starving yourself, but simply adding the right foods to your plate? In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerhouse fat-burning foods you must eat if you want to lose weight fast. And wait until you see number 1, because it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can double your fat-burning results. 5. Avocados, the healthy fat that burns fat. Coming in at number 5 is avocados. Yes, a fat that burns fat. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that help you feel full longer, balance blood sugar, and stop cravings in their tracks. Instead of reaching for junk food, half an avocado can keep you satisfied for hours. Add it to your morning toast, blend it in a smoothie, or toss it into a salad, and watch the pounds drop. 4. Chili peppers, the metabolism igniter. At number 4, we have chili peppers. These fiery little powerhouses contain capsaicin, a compound scientifically proven to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Eating spicy foods literally make your body burn more calories, even at rest. Sprinkle chili flakes on your eggs, add some spice to your soup, or sip on a metabolism-boosting chili tea. Your waistline will thank you. 3. Oatmeal, the belly fat fighter. Number 3 is everyone's favorite breakfast hero, oatmeal. Why oatmeal? It's rich in soluble fiber, which slows digestion, balances blood sugar, and literally melts belly fat. Plus, it keeps you full for hours, so no more mid-morning snack attacks. For maximum results, skip the sugary packets and go for plain rolled oats topped with berries or nuts. 2. Green tea, the liquid fat burner. At number 2, we have green tea. This ancient drink is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that increase fat burning, especially around the belly. Drinking just 2 to 3 cups a day can fire up your metabolism and support weight loss naturally. Pro tip: swap your sugary drinks for green tea, and you'll notice a huge difference in your energy and your waistline. 1. Eggs, the protein powerhouse. And number 1 on our list is eggs. Don't be fooled by old myths. Eggs are one of the best foods for weight loss. They're high in protein, which boosts metabolism and keeps you full for hours. Starting your day with eggs instead of sugary cereal can help you eat fewer calories all day long, leading to faster fat loss. Bonus tip: here's the bonus. Combine these foods with lots of water and daily movement. Even a 20-minute walk paired with these fat-burning foods can multiply your results. So which of these foods are you adding to your diet first? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know. And don't forget to watch the next video shown on the screen for more health tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip from Glow and Slim Eats. And remember, losing weight doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all it takes is eating the right foods.